All right, back we go. Looking at some more stocks. It is 3:11 Eastern Time, February 12th. In the market we go. Let's look at Zom. This thing was on fire. Yeah, had the big wash down 2019, back and forth move. Here is your falling wedge. And there it is. It came out of it January, 25 cents up to 125. When you start moving over 25 cents, they just start grinding. You have 50, 75, $1. Look at this break right here. This is a nice symmetrical. The high, the low, gets over $1. Look at these gaps. One, two, three. Yeah, we're high above the 1320 EMA. Be very careful here. It could drop, easily to this 150 level, maybe 125. You could get a rug pull. When you're up high, you don't want to be holding the bag. So this is a tremendous run. Is this at the high here? Let me look at the weekly. High here is 298. We got here 291. So we're very close. This could be a double top and it could pull back. We'll see on this. Yeah, it's forming a bearish candle today. We're very careful this level. Yeah, pretty sure we might pull back next week before it move back up. I think this can continue, but like anything, it just can't go straight up like a rocket. you know, from look where you came from. Remember, 25 to 275. This is a long run. So let me look at any information here. 521 million float, huge float, 1.73 billion market cap. The ounce is closing 173 million bought deal. Not sure what that means exactly, but stock offering. That's what it was. So yeah, you just got to be careful where you're at in the chart. When you're low, things are looking much better than when you're high and the run is made. So watch for your levels. If you're swinging this, be very careful. They could Monday. This could open way down. So, but has potential to break that at all time high. So, all right, OGI. Oh god, 231 million float, 852 million market cap. This is another pot play, I believe. The cannabis products of China. We've done this one before. Finviz is putting in a very big line from June right here. See this candle stands out right up to here. That is a big, massive move up on this one too. Look at this break it too. See this break? I can take these out. There's so many lines now. So look at this. The back and forth. Tested it many times. When these things explode after maybe a year, 6 months, they explode. So this was over two, up to 250, 450. Look at this, all the way to 645. Then this comes all the way down. Like I said, remember when these go all the way up, look at that move. Look at that candle. And then another one. This could come all the way back to two before maybe like a basing, then they start to go up again. What goes up must come down. And it comes down pretty hard. And today, look at this. Big move pre-market. Wash to a strong move long. Down again we go. So the higher up these go to, you're gonna get a lot of back and forth. You're gonna get a lot of crazy action like this. So top is in for now. Let's see, looking back here, not the all-time high. It looks like next week we'll see what this does. It's bounced right off. That's good. That 13 EMA. It's showing stochastics. It's getting overbought levels, sort of falling down now. We'll see if this can go here. If this bounces, its area is very key. So if you get to 283 and this holds, then we bounce up. It's strong. If it comes back to two, that could be a good buy too. But it depends here if this holds. If this goes really far back, you want to wait and buy at that two level. So very choppy action now. Be careful on this one too. NAKD. CNBC is talking about cashing in on crypto. Will restaurant brands accept Bitcoin? All right, this says 424 million float, 666 million market cap. So we talked about this one too. After the big run up, this is part of the Reddit Wall Street Bets. Comes down $1. It's going to fill this gap. I thought it would. It was oversold here. See, it's sort of coming up. You have a line now. It looks like this is a developing trend line. Yeah, you draw this across right here. You can see this, the up move, sideways up move. Now this has to break through that. See this high is getting lower. And yeah, this is holding off that 1320 EMA right here. So this has to come up through that. It's a lot of back and forth action, kind of choppy here. Yeah, it held the 75 before, so we're caught in between here. Yeah, we'll see if they want to bring this up. The volume decreased, which means it is consolidation. On the higher day volume, see how that was up. So we'll see on this how this plays out. Get these lines here. Big move up, sideways, another move. Now, what's it going to do next week? Are we going to hold this or is it going to drop? So it's very key right now, this one level. Like 75, you see it bounce right back to the one. So it's choppy action. And you're caught in between pretty much 225 and 50 cents. So you have to be careful with this. All right, so that's it on these. Choppy action. A lot of moves have been made. They're coming back. It's just a lot of back and forth now. We'll see how this plays out next week. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trade. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Quits, Mike Kim and Trades. YouTube, Mike Kim and Trades. Leave comments, post information. Anything's helpful as I go over all these stocks. All right, that's it.